For the final trade of the day, Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading, is here with his pick for this week, and it's a stock that's getting much attention on Wall Street. Hello to you, Mike.
Well, the trade of the day for me is Disney. DIS is the symbol. And this is a company most of us are familiar with. I myself have been to Disney World 3 times when I was a kid, loved it. So Disney basically now has had a great earnings report. They beat earnings estimates, $1.22 per share. Estimate was 97 cents. That came out on February the 7th. The stock has jumped up quite a bit, but I do believe there's a lot of potential upside here because Disney as a company, I do believe that they can improve their bottom line even more than they are now. Their streaming service actually is where all the money is coming from, in my opinion. And I do think there's a lot of room for improvement there. So I think over time, we saw companies like Netflix, et cetera, build up their brand. Amazon got into that business. Disney's now in there. And I think it's going to work out fairly well. So right now, looking at the price, is trading at about $108 a share. That's up from where it was prior to earnings, where it was about $98 a share. So up about $10 or so. And I do think as long as it can stay above about $96, $97, everything should be fine. Obviously, if it keeps retracing back down below there, then I would assume that means the momentum is over. So I wouldn't be surprised if it retraces a little bit down from where it is now. But I do think long term we have some potential upside. So what we're looking at here, the current PE ratio looks really solid. The price to book value looks solid, et cetera. And I do think we could be looking at a price target anywhere between, I'll say somewhere in the neighborhood about 120 or higher in the near term. So I do think there's some upside to go. And we could see some further upside beyond that, depending on how they play things out, if their expectations work out, plus the stock's coming off of a low point. So I do think this is a great time to look to get in, but of course, get out if it's not staying above our targets.
A bullish call on Disney. Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.